And it's so funny. He's like all hunchback. He's like, you have to get a video of me doing the sugar bear.
He's open in jail. He's like, oh yeah, stay right there. Right there. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh.
Good. It's closer. I'm gonna do the sugar bear.
You scared him!
Sorry.
This is me doing the sugar bear. Ow.
You gotta do it again.
For my leg.
You gotta do it again. Do it again. He's trying to bite his penis.
Alright, let's do this.
This is Bethany doing the sugar bear.
Okay, this is the exact reenactment of sugar bear, except we have no little snickerdoodle. Come on, snickerdoodle, please. Please, snickerdoodle. Oh, I got it, I got it.